alarm went off! Let's go!
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Eastern Bay, Patapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:14 p.m., a gust front was located 7 nautical miles west of Fort Smallwood State Park, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel.
Oh, it even shows the end
Locations
time.
impacted
That's
include North Point State Park, Magothy River, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Pools Island, Greenberry Point, Shadyside, Highland Beach, Sandy Point State Park, Severn River, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Parsons Island, Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, Hart Miller Island, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Dorchester Beach, and Miles River. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
nice.